Welcome to JafflcdFarhan. Today we are replacing QMobile LCD. Model is SL100 Big 2022. Let's start with disassembling mobile phone. Open all screws one by one. Let's open back side. Remove damaged LCD with soldering iron. This is new LCD. Soldering new LCD. Soldering with iron. Soldering very neat and clean. Let's check LCD. It's working or not working. Power on mobile phone. LCD is working. Removing new LCD screen protector. Let's assemble mobile phone. Tight all screws. Our LCD replacement video is complete. Thanks for watching.